going on, everybody? This is AJ from Internet of Things Productions. I'm here with my first video. Today we're going to be talking about my desk setup. First of all, we're going to start off with the chair. This is a charcoal gray Herman Miller M-Body chair. It is a phenomenal chair. I'm 6'7", so I'm a tall guy. And it was difficult finding a good, solid gaming chair or lounging chair that I could sit in while I'm at my computer for long periods of time. I went to a furniture store and sat in this chair, tried it out, and absolutely fell in love. So hands down, this is probably one of the best, most comfortable chairs you can possibly sit in. Let's next talk about the most important devices on my desk. The Kujo AI Smart Firewall. Now this device is incredible. Right now they're selling it on Amazon. They have multiple subscriptions. I got the unlimited subscription, therefore I don't have to pay a monthly fee. This device protects your computer and Internet of Things devices against malware, ransomware, viruses, and other hacking threats. Right next to the Kujo we have a Google On Hub router made by TP-Link. My desk setup is composed of a 2011 Mac Pro as well as my MacBook Pro 15-inch. My Mac Pro is connected to a LG 34UC80B 34-inch curved monitor. This monitor is incredible. If you haven't gotten your hands on a curved monitor, I highly recommend it. Right underneath the LG monitor is an ASIO MK Mac mechanical keyboard. For Mac users, we know there are not a lot of options for keyboards that have Mac keys on them. And ASIO just came out with this keyboard not too long ago. It's a phenomenal keyboard with brown case switches, very clicky. Next to the keyboard we have the Logitech MK Master. On top of the monitor, we have a Logitech C920 webcam. Monitor, we have an Anker USB hub. I also have a Western Digital MyBook, and with any good desk setup, you have the QNAP TS251 2-bay NAS. Next to the QNAP, we have a TP-Link switch, gigabit switch. Next to that, we have a PS4. And right above that we have the Philips Hue Lights hub. I have a couple of Philips Hue lights around my apartment, but ultimately I prefer LIFX bulbs, which can be found in the lamp that I have in my office as well. The lamp I got off of Amazon from a company called iPower Bingo. Just those two bulbs and that lamp will light up my whole office. Last but certainly not least, when it comes to lighting, I have the Nanoleaf Aurora. I purchased one of these when it first came out. It became a huge rage all over YouTube. You can see it in many desk setup videos, and it's a great device. I plan on getting more panels later on. Next to the PS4 we have a Marshall Stanmore speaker. And on the very ends of the right hand side of my desk we have my MacBook Pro 15-inch. The dock that is on is by Landing Zone, connected to the external CD DVD player, and a hard drive by Lacey that connected to a DAS keyboard, another phenomenal brand when it comes to making a Mac keyboard. But this one in particular has blue switches with gold contact. And the very last device that I have on my desk is the Brother toner printer. And with all this tech, you have to have a desk to sit on, which is the main basis of this video. I actually made my desk out of products from IKEA. So the brown tabletop is actually a kitchen counter from IKEA called Karlby, and the drawers that I have on the ends are the Alex drawer units. Thank you for taking the time to check out my video. Please like and subscribe. There's going to be a lot more content coming soon. Again, this is my first video, and thank you for watching. Links for all the products that I have on my desk will be in the comments below.